So let's make pasta Alfredo with vegetables, spinach and broccoli. I have my chicken. I've deboned it. So now let's go and make the white sauce first and set aside. This is butter. Add it and allow to melt. Add your flour and start mixing. Now add milk gradually.
Okay,
until you achieve the right consistency. Your heat should be on low heat while doing this. Look at that, so creamy. Add some black pepper. Now stir and it's ready. This is the texture. Now the sauce is ready. Let's prep the vegetables. I'm gonna shred the broccoli now. It's good to prep all the ingredients. Now let's blanch it. Allow it to sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Sieve it and run cold water on it. Blanching spinach helps to reduce water content.
As well as the bitterness.
Is it actually bitter?
No,
somehow.
Yeah, somehow it can be, yeah.
So, I always blanch my spinach.
Unless I'm using it for abacha. Oh yeah. But if I'm making something like this or soup, I always blanch it.
I'm gonna sieve it and run cold water. So this is the spinach after blanching.
Look at how small.
You see? So that is why it's good to blanch your spinach. Another thing is to peel and cut garlic. If you are making pasta, don't omit garlic. Very important.
Have patience. I'm coming, okay? The next few minutes, the food will be ready.
Alright, now let's fry the chicken. The chicken, I'm not going to add oil. And one of these, I like the flavor. Seasoning cube, so add some paste. To cook the pasta in a boiling water, add some salt to your taste, and add your pasta and cook according to the package instruction. In 1.5. Stir and stir. Allow it to cook. The pasta is ready. Now let's see it. Now let's mix everything together. Broccoli, blanched broccoli. Me, I get sense. This is the chicken and the spinach. Sauce.
We begin to mix.
Now add your cheese, very important. At this point we are done. Time to dish it out. Look at that. This is delish. Pot of deliciousness.
so good. Now let's dish it up because I have the fork in there. One more cheese. No? Yeah. Good. Where is Daniel? I've captured it pretty good here. Yes, Mom. Am I capturing it good? Yes. Leave. Thank you, Mommy. I want picture. Yeah, don't cook it.